Hello guys, today I will show you how to remove the rear door panel from this BMW X3 2024. We need two tools, one for the clips and the T20 Torx. We have first to remove this. We have here underneath two screws, T20, and here one more.
So in order to remove the door panel, you have to put your plastic removal tool underneath the door panel and push it really hard. Just the first clip, it's a little bit hard to remove, but after that it goes just with your hand really easily. Like you can see now in the video, the door panel is coming out really easily. But always start from the bottom because there it's the most pressure. Now the door panel is removed, so thank you guys and see you in next video.